Hello, and welcome to our monthly FAQ series. This month we'll be discussing some of your questions about our projectors. Why isn't the Quest 3 dock charging my device? We've had some reports of the NexiGo charging dock not charging the Quest 3 headset and controllers properly, and we're here to help. Today I'll walk you through some easy troubleshooting steps to try if you're experiencing this issue. First, determine which device isn't charging properly, your touch controllers or your headset. If you're having difficulty charging your controllers, it's likely that your controllers or batteries are not sitting properly. Start by making sure that the batteries in your controllers are in the correct orientation, and rotate them so that the conductive metal band is pointed out. Afterwards, put your controllers back in the charging dock, making sure that the left controller goes in the left controller slot, and the right controller goes in the right controller slot. Carefully adjust them until the charging dock lights up orange to indicate that your controllers are currently charging. If they still won't charge, please check our previous FAQ video to learn how to reset your controllers. If you're having trouble charging your headset and you're using a third-party head strap, try removing it. The head strap may be adding too much weight or bulk to your headset. If your Quest 3 accessories still aren't charging properly, try powering your Quest 3 dock using a different charging cable. We generally recommend using the cable that came with your charging dock or your Quest 3 headset, but you can also try using any high-speed USB cable that you have available. If you're still experiencing issues, please reach out to our customer care team at cs@NexiGo.com and we'll help you repair or replace your charging dock under warranty. Can the Aurora Pro save different settings for different devices? Absolutely, you can create unique image settings for one of your HDMI devices by opening that device and pressing the menu button on the remote control to pull up the sidebar. You can make as many changes as you'd like in the image parameters, and those settings will automatically save as custom. Now your Aurora Pro will automatically use these settings every time you open that HDMI device. These settings will only save to that HDMI device, so you can manually set different settings for every one of your connected devices. While there is no way to automatically apply these changes to multiple devices simultaneously, you can jot down any changes and manually apply them to your other devices. Why does the Aurora Pro look weird when I watch on my Nvidia Shield? If you experience any unusual visual glitches while watching content through your Nvidia Shield, go into the settings and make these changes to optimize it for your Aurora Pro. First, set resolution to 4K 59/940Hz Dolby Vision and HDR10 ready. Then set match content color space to on, set display HDR content when available to on, and set CEC to on. Can I use the USB-C port on the Gripcon for data transfer? Yes, the USB-C port on top of the Gripcon can be used for several purposes. Since it transfers both power and data in both directions, you can use it to charge your Switch or connect external devices and accessories, including a Switch controller and a USB hub for connecting multiple wired controllers at the same time. How do I fix projector alignment without keystone correction? As long as your projection lens is not warped, it is totally possible to align your projector perfectly with your screen without using keystone correction. Start by taking measurements. Make sure that the surface you put your projector onto is level. Make sure that the projector is the right distance from your wall to fill your screen, and make sure that the projector is perfectly parallel to the wall. Turn on your projector and shift it as needed to fill the screen. Pay extra attention to the top of the projection to make sure that it's even with the top of the projector screen. Then, if the projection is still not aligned, you can adjust the feet on the bottom of the projector. Rotate the wheel clockwise to lower the feet and counterclockwise to raise it. If the projection looks like this, you need to make the right side higher than the left side. If the projection looks like this, you need to make the left side higher than the right. If it's not possible to perfectly align your projector, the lens may have warped, which could have happened during shipping. If you think this might be the case, please take a picture and reach out to us at cs@NexiGo.com to learn about further steps. Thanks for watching. As always, please leave any questions down in the comments below and we'll be sure to get to them in a future video. See you later!